So welcome back. Here we left in the previous video. We have to create a session to start HediSQL. Let's go to new session in a root folder. Click on it and you name the session what you want. I am gonna with online runner, so you can name anything. Just you have to create a session. Session is created. Network type must be a what else you have. So I am on a local machine, so I'm go with the TCP/IP, and you can go with any SSH tunnel and Microsoft SQL Server 5 whatever, but I'm on a local machine, so I am going with the TCP. And a host name as 128. It's a loopback IP, so it's a local IP. Local IP of the machine. It's used for testing purpose. Prompt for credentials. So I have name the username. It will be the root, obviously. The XAMPP server or WAMP server, whatever server you have installed on your machine. So name the root, username of root. If you have password for root, so give the name. So I do not have a password for root, so I will not give a root password. And port name 3306 is SQL port, so it's by default it's SQL port. And here you can select your database. So before you select, make sure you have up and running your XAMPP server. Let me start my XAMPP server. So it's opening and we can check our. So I will not go with advanced settings and statistic created 1 minute ago. Last connect, successful connects, unsuccessful connects. So I have not yet a connection. So start your MySQL. SQL server should be started. Let me open also the why MySQL shutdown expected legacy data. Okay. Cannot connect MySQL server. You're right. Let me open it again. Let me close. So actually we have a problem. We cannot run our XAMPP control server just because of I am using another profile. So here I am using a recording profile, so I am not logged in with my administrator. So this profile is blocking the ports and access level of this profile. So the main reason is let's we close that and let me open it as administrator, so it will work now. And let's start our SQL. Now the SQL server is up and running. You can also start your Apache server if you want to access your phpMyAdmin panel in a browser. So our XAMPP server is up and running, and we have created our session and also give the credentials root. So we do not have a password for root, and port is this. And now open it. So this is the main the window for HediSQL. So you can see I have a bunch of databases already created, and bunch of databases. This is it is a file menu bar and file edit search tools go to, and this is a snippets bar. You can do actions from here, many actions that we will much of the icon we will go through in a detail. So our introduction and installation of its Hedi is complete, and in our next lecture we will see you. We will create a database. So have a good time. Take care.